There's a window into heaven that I can close my eyes and see, where there are no earthly struggles, and the soul there is set free, where the deaf and dumb are shouting, 'cause the blind can finally see, and all those crippled legs are dancing out across the crystal sea. And there's a special place in heaven where those unborn babies play, and they're rocked in arms by mamas whose chances slipped away. And all those unwanted children say my daddy's a king.
Amen. Yeah. Good.
And their smiles upon their faces as they spin around and sing. And don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and our tears are finally gone? And don't that sound like heaven? And don't that sound like home? And darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on. The price of heaven is expensive, but don't you worry about the cost, 'cause it was paid in full by Jesus as he hung on that old cross. And all those things that he promised will be there just like he said, as an eternal reminder of that precious blood he shed. And don't that sound like heaven? And don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and our tears are finally gone? And don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home, where darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on? And darkness there is overtaken by